My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Welcome to this channel. Today, we are going to do a Pilates for athletes routine. Great for everybody. All you need is your body weight, the greatest gym you will ever have, right here. No weights, no machines. It's going to move quickly. You can repeat it as much as you wish and modify as needed. And check in below. Right now, the cap goes on, filming in the shade, fighting in the shade. Let's begin with the boat 100, a different variation, a unique variation on the classic Pilates 100. Take the feet out. You want to squeeze those abdominals on the exhales. We're coming into half boat pose here. Shoulders back and down, pumping the arms up and down 100 times, breathing in the nose for 5, out the mouth for 5 with the pumps. Are you ready? Stabilize. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulders back and down. We're going to roll down into the back stroke exercise. 10 times. Tabletop position, arms up. Inhale, reach up. Continue inhaling as you circle around. Heels together, arms to the sides. Exhale back in. Oh, let's go to number 2 out of 10. Inhale up. Keep inhaling in the nose, out the mouth. 2. Effortless movement. Let me touch my toes on the railing. 5. Around and squeeze. 6. Stretch the backs of the legs. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. And 10. Around, 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 around. Now bring it in. Let's come up and over for elephant planks. Once you come to plank position, hands are on the shoulders. We're going to walk the hands back. Big maneuver, rising up, chin to the chest, shoulders back and down. Tuck your tailbone underneath pelvis. Forward, dive down, tuck the chin. Now walk out as far as you can. It's a walkout plank, hands in front of the shoulders. Press the heels back, hold for a breath. Now walk forward, keep the legs straight as possible. As possible, tuck the chin, rise up. Tailbone, boom, underneath, squeeze the glutes. Again, dive down, walk the feet back. Walk out plank. Feel that stretch in the abdominals. This routine is guaranteed to improve your athletic performance in any and every sport. Chest is open. Down, walk out. A lot of flexibility training in the backs of the legs as well, and learning how to move your body in the best possible way. Great control. Forward, rise up, dive down, walk back, stretch it out, drop the shoulders, and walk. Rise up. Let's do one more. Walk out plank. Are you with me? Here we go. Walk it out. Let's hold for 5 breaths right here. How far can you bring those hands forward? I'm slipping. 2 more breaths. And once more. Now, hands back, lower down. Let's finish with a swim, sculpting the whole backside of the body. Alternating arm and leg, inhale up, exhale down, or speed it up. My weight is in my stomach, on my stomach. 5 more breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little faster. Once more. Extend out every muscle in the back and glutes, shoulders working together in the Superman pose. 2 more breaths in the nose, out the mouth. Long, lean muscles, my friend. Long, lean muscles. All right. Repeat that as much as you wish. Leave your feedback and comments below. And great work. Oh my. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.